Craig Harrison here with Seashell Awnings. Welcome to episode 4 of our Seashell Awning installation series. We recommend watching the episodes in order, so if you have yet to watch the previous videos, you can find them by visiting our YouTube channel below. In this episode, we will install the spar sub-assemblies. The exact number of spars may differ depending on the size and model. However, the install procedure is the same. We start by opening box number 3, which contains the odd-numbered spars. Odd-numbered spars are installed on the left side of the unit, while the even-numbered spars are installed on the right side. Starting with number 1, install the spar closest to the wall. Use an 8mm by 30mm Phillips screw and an 8mm nylock nut from hardware bag number 2 to secure the top mounting location, and slide the lower compression pole onto the plastic compression pole fitting as shown. Using the same method, install the rest of the odd-numbered spars until the left side of the unit is complete. It's now time to move to the right side of the unit. Starting with spar number 2, work your way through the even-numbered spars until all of them are installed. After all the spars are installed, swing the center spars together and verify that they are level with each other. You can now lay the spars back against the wall and make sure that the other spars are level with the center spars. If a spar is not level with the others, rotating the compression pole will bring it back into place. With all the spars level, you are ready to move on to the next episode where we will install and tighten the sails. You can click on the next episode link to continue, or visit our YouTube channel for all of our videos.